Congratulations to every viewer who clicks on this video, because after watching this video, your life is going to change. You are going to go from here to here. But before that, check this out. A channel called Tales by Monisha, which earns more than $3,000 a month. Another channel, Bible in a Nutshell, also earns more than $4,000. But I am going to tell you a way by which you will earn 3 to 4 times more from all these channels. But before that, you must know this method. These channels upload cartoon videos, which they don't make themselves but generate using AI. And here's the fun part. These kinds of cartoon videos can be made in just 1 hour. But how? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. To make such cartoon videos, we first need a story, for which we go to ChatGPT. And there, we write, "Create a story about a magical adventure in ancient times." In just a short time, it will give you this amazing story. Now, if you don't like the story, what will you do? Like, I like this story, so I'll click here, copy the link, and then search on Chrome for YouTube transcript.io and copy the link there and click Generate Transcript. After waiting for a while, it will give us the transcript of that video. Copy this, paste it into ChatGPT, and then write this prompt. But we don't care about this story. We'll go back to our old story and tell ChatGPT, I want to make this story for a YouTube video. So for this I will need an AI video, so please write the prompts for each scene of this entire story in which the video is ultra realistic. And in a short time, ChatGPT will give us the prompts to create a video. Now we have the prompts and the story. Our next step will be to generate videos from these prompts, for which we will use a fantastic tool, HailuoAI.video. Click here to sign up through Google. After signing up, you will be redirected to this page, where you will see the same 3 options. Then, we go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and return to the website. Click on the middle option, and you'll see that we can generate videos from text or images. After clicking here, you can select any image from the gallery to turn it into a video. But for now, we need to make a text to video. So, I'll click here, paste the prompt, and click to generate. Below, you can see the video is being generated. But before that, look above, we get 1,100 credits. It only takes 30 credits to generate one video. Now, think about how many videos you can generate with 1,100 credits. And when your credits run out, you can log in with another temp mail and get another 1,100 credits. If you have trouble generating temp mail, you can watch my video, where I explain how to easily generate temp mail. And with this, our first video is ready. From the first prompt, you can see how amazing the video looks, with perfect lighting and how realistic the girl's eyes appear. You can click on this video and then click on the download option to download it. Sometimes, there might be issues downloading from here. In that case, click on the share option, copy the link, and search for Video Downloader Free in your browser. Click on the first website that appears, paste the link there, and you'll get the download option on the right side. Download it from there. Similarly, we'll copy each prompt one by one, paste it here, and generate their videos. I had 10 prompts, and I generated 10 videos. If you need more videos, you can ask ChatGPT for additional prompts. For example, if your short story generated 10 prompts and corresponding short videos, you can request 20 or 25 prompts to generate more videos. So, now you've learned this part. Next, let's talk about how to generate voiceovers. Go to your browser again and search for lovevoice.com. Click on the first link. Here, you don't need to sign up. The website is completely free. You can generate up to 3,000 words in one go. If you need more, simply refresh the page, and you'll get the option to generate another 3,000 words. Scroll down, and you'll see options for multiple languages. You can generate in any language. On the side, you'll find character options. You can select any character. Scroll down further, and you'll see that this tool generates voices that sound just like real humans. Keep scrolling, and you'll find information about using this tool's generated voice on YouTube and TikTok. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy your story, and paste it here to generate the voiceover. We'll stick with the first character since it generates excellent voices. After a short wait, you can see how realistic the generated voice sounds.
In the ancient world of Arandus, where the skies blazed with emerald stars and rivers flowed with golden light, a young apprentice named Lyra worked tirelessly in the great library of Merdith.
Click on the download option on the side to download it. Once the voice is downloaded, open KineMaster. Here, select all the files you've generated. On the top side, you might see the KineMaster logo. Don't worry about it, the logo won't appear when you save the video. After saving the video, there won't be any watermark on it. To download this KineMaster app, visit my Telegram channel via the link in the description. If you notice the website logo on the side of the video, you can simply zoom in slightly on the clips to remove it. To zoom in, click on the equal sign here. If you don't do this, you'll get a zoom in and zoom out effect in the video. If your voice is longer, reduce the video clip speed slightly. Click on the right side to add your voice file. Minor editing can be done later. Once finished, upload it to YouTube and earn thousands of dollars. Now, let's discuss how you can earn more than other channels. It completely depends on how many channels you can start and manage. If you want, you can run 4 channels, significantly increasing your earnings. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll reply to all of them. If you haven't opened a channel yet or are planning to start one, wait. There's a right time to start a channel. Starting at the right time greatly increases your chances of fast growth. Uploading YouTube videos also has an optimal time. In the next video, I'll cover topics like SEO, descriptions, where to get titles and tags, so your videos get lifetime views. Don't miss this valuable information. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.